Hello there, welcome to the video. This is just going to be a hopefully quick explanation guide on or walkthrough on how to utilize a spreadsheet. There's a lot of stuff going on, so hopefully you understand by the end of this video. So I'm not really too sure where to start. I'm probably just going to start here explaining what these different sections are. So each section is for your individual cryptocurrency that you're investing in. You can only do like up to 12, which I feel like is more than enough. So for each of these cards, you have the amount that you initially invested, the amount of the coin that you're holding, the realized profit or loss percentage, realized profit or loss money value, staking rewards, or the quantity of your staking rewards, and then you have the actual staking rewards cash value. So also down here you can see, well, you can't see, but this is where you would see like the live values of the cryptocurrency. So right now we are going to trade, let's say, Solana and Bitcoin. So we're just going to hop over to the spreadsheet over here. Right, so this is where you want to put your crypto, or choose what cryptocurrency you want to utilize. So right now we want Solana, and then I also said Bitcoin, so I'll just do BTC. And right now you can see the live values of Solana and Bitcoin right here. Currently it is in USD, or this is USD currency, but like I'm Canadian, so like, oh no, what do I do? So I'm just going to change this to Canadian, so CAD up here. And then you'll see that the values update to the Canadian metric. And this section here, this is where you can just this is like how I'm pulling like the live values. I'm just using cryptoprices.cc. I think they said that there's like a delay of like an hour or so don't use this for trading. This is just for your afterthought. You can see like the USD value of Bitcoin right there. So that's just that. This is also just like where you can see your cryptocurrencies and whatnot. So that's that. Now let's go back to our main sheet. So right now, let's say I want to do my first transaction on the spreadsheet. So we're just going to put in the date. It's January 15th right now. As you can see, I put the date here. That's the start of our first transaction, so that's just going to be designated 1. And if you do another date, you'll see, oh, that's your second transaction. That'll just show up. So right now I'm just going to fund our account with $200 or $250 of cash. Sorry, 250 of cash. So fund cash and then 250. So as you can see, we fund our account with $250. We have a usable cash amount of 250. And let's say we now want to buy some Solana. So we'll hit buy Solana. Let's say we bought Solana at like a rate of 270. So the crypto rate for Solana at my time of purchase, whatever, is 270. It's not what the current value is right now, but just for explanation's sake. And let's say I bought like $50 worth of Solana, so I put in the $50 right there. And you can see that for that transaction, we earned $4.63. But as you can see, that $4.63 shows up on the crypto card, so 463. We have a realized profit or loss percentage of roughly 10%, 9-10%. And then you can see the quantity hold amount, which is from this column. And this column is has equations in it, so you shouldn't be messing around with this. Same with this section, and same with the profit or loss per transaction section. Do not touch these. Do not mess them up. Okay. So that's that. Also, if you want to incorporate or add your fees into this to make it a little bit more accurate, you can just put in that, so that'll subtract that amount. So that's your actual profit or loss per transaction. And the summation of the trading fees get shown here. Again, keep track of how much you're actually paying towards fees and whatnot. Let's say I want to now sell. Let's say I want to sell Solano. So another transaction, selling Solano, same crypto array as before. Say I want to sell $25 worth of Solano, so sold it. As you can see, 25 is in Solano. I have usable cash of 225, so the only amount that I have invested right now is 25, which corresponds to this value right here, so that's all good. Yeah, trading fee, I don't know, I'm just gonna put a random value. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, now if we want to trade Solano, yeah, so now if we want to trade Solano, we're just going to do trade Solano. I don't know, keep it at the same rate, just keep it simple. Let's just trade $10 worth of Solano, and we want to do Solano to Bitcoin, so we're just going to do Bitcoin right here. Then we're just going to put the current rate, or the current rate of Bitcoin right now, 144.252.4. That's that, and we're trading $10 worth of Solano. This and this have to stay the same if you're trading. Just keep that in mind. So now we look at our crypto card right here, or I don't know what you really call it. You can see the $10 invested, the hold quantity, or the quantity hold for Bitcoin is this, which corresponds to this. Then you'll see your realized profit or whatever, profit loss, 0. That's all nice and dandy. Now I guess I should probably explain how you incorporate your existing holdings. Like if you've already done a bunch of trading or whatever and you're just downloading the sheet, you'll want to do existing holdings for the transaction type. Then you want to do, let's say we have Solano already, do that, existing holdings. Then you want to go all the way over here to the stacking rewards / existing holdings. Right now we have transaction type existing holdings, so that's going to be designated to existing holdings only. So let's just say I have 8 of Solano. I'm holding 8 of Solano, so that'll update the invested amount, and now it shows that I have roughly 2,400 worth of Solano. So that's that. Now if we want to do the staking part of it, just put another date, let's change it to staking Solano, and then I'm just going to go back to that same column again, 0.05 of staking rewards of Solano, and that's equivalent to 1475. And if you go all the way back over here, you can see this value is reflected here. This is here. And then the fees. Yep. So, yeah. Oh, and then I guess if you want to say that you're withdrawing cash from your crypto account, your crypto portfolio, or whatever you hold it in, you can do withdraw cash I think you can only do cash for this. Let's say we want to withdraw. Let's say we want to withdraw like $500. We never actually put $500 in, so this is gonna go red. That's gonna look ugly. So that's just like what do you call it? Like a failsafe to like make sure that you're doing your transactions properly and you're only spending the money that you actually have. So that's just to catch you, just for people. So let's say I want to withdraw $25. That's a reasonable amount. So as you can see how much crypto you withdrew from your account. So negative 25, you withdrew 25. That's all nice and dandy. And then I guess I didn't really explain this section over here. This section here is just like a brief summary of your crypto and your investments in general. So this is your allocation percentage. So roughly 7.69% is in cash, 91 is in Solana, 0.38 is in Bitcoin. Usable cash is 200, which this and this correspond. Amount of Solana that we own is roughly 2,400. Initial investments in Bitcoin, $10, and then you can see the holding quantity for each of those cryptos, each of those cryptocurrencies. And then we have some nice looking graphs right here. Right now you can see the investment amount and realized profit loss. So we invested 2,375 in Solana, but right now we have a little bit more. So this is just like a nicer way to visualize information. Same with the percentage allocation of your crypto, and then this is just basically copy paste of this section right here. I think I might add this column, but basically copy paste, same thing, same information. And then this is just the P&L graph, so profit and loss of like each of your transactions. I'll probably change this to a better color. Red doesn't really seem too nice on the eyes right here, so probably change that to that. And yeah, I think that is a good enough explanation. I'm not too sure if there's anything I need to cover. Yeah, right now I'm still in the making of like the sheet rules to make sure that everybody can understand how to utilize it and not make any mistakes. So yeah, that should be good enough. Let me know if there's any issues that you got. I'll try to address them as soon as possible.